How's it going, guys? Adam from Clayton Off-Road, and today we're going to be talking about our track bar bolt kits. We have two options, one of an OEM size, and then we have an upgraded 9/16 HD size. These have been a very popular kit for us because many times a simple bolt kit will help to eliminate the dreaded death wobble. So the OEM size is great for anybody that just needs an upgraded bolt. If this flange has broken, it's the factory size, doesn't require drilling, allows you to reuse your factory bushing. It's just a higher grade bolt, new flange. So many times this is just a simple solution to tighten up that lower axle location on your track bar. If that lower location has egged out, then this obviously won't be a great solution. That's where this one comes in. This is the HD version, and it has you drill out to 9/16. And then same thing, you get a new flange that hides into that pocket. This does require to either upgrade to a different size bushing. It does depend on the style of your track bar. So definitely check to see if you can drill yours out or whether you can get the optional bushing that we do sell. You need a 9/16 through hole. So check our website for more details about which version is right for your vehicle. And if you have any other questions, let us know.